Easter is just around the corner, and you may be wondering what you can serve to polish off that holiday meal with something sweet.
Our friend Katrina Golden with Little Mama's Sweets and Treats has you covered. She's here in the Mix Studios in the kitchen with us to show us how to make hummingbird cookies.
Yes.
Hummingbird cookies.
Yes, if you like hummingbird cake.
Okay.
Which has got bananas, the pineapples, the pecans, and the yummy cream cheese frosting all over it, and it's a whole bunch of yummy goodness, right? These are the cookie version. If you don't want to make a whole cake, and you don't really have time to do like the whole cake thing, you can do cookies.
You can't really take a cake on the go. So
No,
this is much easier.
no, you can't really take a cake on the go.
Okay.
So these are easy. It's 1 stick of butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, some cinnamon, some nutmeg, half a cup of pineapples, 1 banana, and some pecans. Mush it all together. For you, Cliff, mush it all together.
Yeah, thank you.
Stir. You want to cream your butter and sugar
Did my
together.
teeth fall out?
You want to cream your butter and sugar together first, of course. But then you add everything else. 2 cups of flour. You bake it on 350 for 15 minutes, and so I'm about to scoop these up right now.
Okay. So what's the ingredient? What's the ingredient she did not add?
I did not add eggs.
Exactly.
There's no eggs.
Okay, no eggs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's no eggs. So this can be, an easy, for those that are vegan or want to have something sweet, but it's kind of hard to find vegan desserts.
Right.
Yeah, so you can do a substitution,
They
right?
can do a substitution. Just use a plant-based butter.
Okay.
And that's the only substitution you need to make.
So what about any add-ins, Katrina? Like, could you add, I don't know, like...
You could
something?
add chocolate chips.
Okay.
You could add chocolate chips to it.
In my mind.
You could add oatmeal to it to make it a little bit more healthier.
Okay.
But who wants a healthy dessert? Who does that?
Yeah, some people
mean,
do. Not us.
Not these guys over here that are about to come over and try.
Not us.
So anyway, these are going to go in the oven for 15 minutes at 350.
Okay. So now you mentioned, ooh, my stomach's struggling now too. You mentioned all the ingredients. So what did you do? You just literally just.
Literally, you just cream the butter and sugar together.
Yeah.
And then you'll add your pineapples and bananas.
Right.
And then add the pecans and the flour. Make sure it's all mixed together well. You don't even have to chill this dough, which is
Okay,
really
that's-
cool.
that's what I was gonna ask.
Most cookie doughs you need to chill it first. This one you don't even have to chill first. You can put it. I was like, you sure you don't have to chill it? No, you don't have to chill it first. You put it in there. You scoop it out. You see, I got my little handy dandy kind of ice cream scoop there. You scoop it out, and it come looking like this. I added a vanilla cinnamon glaze to it.
That's what I was going to ask.
Yeah,
Because I see the vanilla
You can do
bean
that.
in there.
You can do that if you want, or you can have them plain. I like them plain, and I don't even like stuff with nuts in it. These are really good.
Okay, well, let's see.
Now, the fact that you might have these for a very short period of time, what's the best way to keep them fresh?
In an airtight container.
Okay.
Like your Tupperware or Rubbermaid containers. You can just keep that if they last that long.
Okay.
You can wrap them up with some cellophane in the refrigerator, and they'll keep in the refrigerator for about a week.
Our other guests, John and Joshua, come on over, guys.
I'm going to give him a cookie.
We made enough for the whole class. I know. Yeah, even though we made fun of me. That's fine.
Yeah.
Get on in here, guys. Help yourself.
So while we were in break, I was hearing about this cliff scale. Do you want to explain this to me?
Not really.
Well, the cliff scale.
You're going to walk into another...
She actually explains it better. So go ahead.
The
You go
Cliff
ahead,
scale
Katrina.
is, how difficult a recipe is to make based on whether or not Cliff feels he can do it. From 1 to 10, 1 being extremely easy, 10 being a little bit more difficult.
Cliff can't make anything this good.
Yes, he can. Yes, he can.
Really?
She called it a 5.
I agree with John this
I
time.
said it's about a 5 or 6 on the Cliff scale.
They're
I'm
amazing.
glad you guys like them.
Katrina, tell us where you're going to be next.
Ooh, you can always find me at the VA hospital downtown. We have our coffee shop there.
Yep.
These will not be there, however.
Oh, but these would be so good with coffee.
I know, I know. They may or may not make an appearance next week, but I didn't make enough for them to get there today.
Only
Okay.
for us.
But we're at the VA hospital Monday through Friday. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, our website, and you can always see where we're going to be next.
Awesome.
In other words, she's everywhere.
And this is...
Might even be out at the wrestling event
Now, this
tomorrow
is
night.
wrestling fuel. It's good.
There we
Yeah.
go.
Yeah, I feel jacked right now.